Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy deviled eggs using an easy method. First, let's get those eggs perfectly hard-boiled. Start with 6 large eggs, placing them in a single layer in a pot and covering them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let them sit for exactly 12 minutes. Afterward, quickly move them to an ice bath for 5 minutes to halt the cooking process and make them easier to peel. Now that your eggs are perfectly cooked and cooled, it's time to create that irresistible creamy filling. Gently peel each egg, then slice them in half lengthwise. Carefully scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl, making sure to keep the egg white halves intact. Mash the yolks until smooth, then mix in 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Stir until everything is wonderfully combined and creamy. With your creamy yolk mixture ready, it's time for the fun part, filling the egg whites. You can use a piping bag for a professional look, or simply a small spoon for a more rustic charm. Generously fill each egg white half with the delicious yolk mixture. For a classic finish, sprinkle a little paprika over the top of each deviled egg, adding both color and a subtle smoky flavor. Chill them for at least 30 minutes before serving to ensure they are perfectly cool and firm. To keep your deviled eggs tasting their best, it's ideal to enjoy them within 2 days of preparation. If you have any delicious leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness. For an extra touch of creaminess, consider adding 1 tablespoon of softened cream cheese to your yolk mixture before filling. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your amazing deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.